I've almost done performing service on this vehicle. So now I'm just going to demonstrate as to how to remove pollen filter or aircon filter on a VW Polo TSI 2021 model. You just open the cabin. You see here, you release here, on the other side also. That's how you release. There you go. You press these two. There we go. This is the aircon filter. Can you see how dirty it is? Wow. At FDSCO Innovations, we are here to can ensure customer satisfaction. Can you see the difference between the new one and the old one? This is the new one. This is the old one. We are DevSco Innovations. Ours is to keep you on the fast lane. You only go to the slow lane by choice. Danko.